Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Malunggay noodles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/2 teaspoon of salt for the dry mix. For the wet components, prepare 1/4 cup of vibrant Malunggay puree and 2 large eggs. Having these ready ensures a smooth and efficient noodle-making process, setting the foundation for delicious, homemade noodles. Creating the Malunggay puree is a simple yet crucial step for vibrant noodles. Start by blanching 1 cup of fresh Malunggay leaves in boiling water for about 30 seconds. This helps retain their bright green color. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Finally, blend the blanched leaves with 2 tablespoons of water until you achieve a smooth, consistent puree. This will give your noodles their beautiful color and subtle flavor. Now, let's bring our dough together. On a clean, floured surface, combine your 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Form a well in the center and pour in the Malunggay puree and 2 eggs. Gradually incorporate the flour into the wet ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten for perfect noodles. After kneading, it's time to shape your noodles. Divide the dough into manageable portions and roll each piece very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. You can use a pasta machine or a rolling pin. Then, cut the dough into your desired noodle shapes, whether it's fettuccine, spaghetti, or something unique. Cook them in boiling salted water for 2 to 3 minutes until al dente. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book on money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.